massive round of applause. How lovely do our ladies look in the room? Gents, join me in a big round of applause for our ladies. And next, I can see we've got a few entries into the James Bond lookalike competition as well. Our gents are looking splendid, so I think we need a round of applause once again for our ladies. For dressing our gentlemen up so well this evening. Well, ladies and gents, the way we kick off this great princess tradition is as follows. As you can see, we have this magnificent tower full of empty glasses, but of course, we need to pour some champagne to get started. So, we're going to introduce you to your Director of Restaurant Operations. Ladies and gents, a big round of applause for Erdal over here. Erdal is going to pour the first champagne over our tower. And folks, I need you to count down with me. We're going to start from 59, 58, no actually, let's start from 10. All together now, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gents, your cruise has officially started on the Grand Princess. Now, we are of course going to open for pictures with our waterfall over here, and in approximately 10 minutes time we're going to be welcoming our senior officers and of course our captain of Grand Princess to stage to make the first introductions. If you would of course like a picture with our champagne waterfall, do come and form an orderly queue over to the side, but for the meantime I'll pass you back to Radio Sunshine.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen,